Back when voting began in the UK, only very wealthy men were allowed to vote. Over the years, more and more people demanded and won the right to vote. If you're 16 or over on election day and live in Wales, you can vote to choose members for a 5-year term to make decisions on issues that affect your day-to-day life. But how will you know who to vote for? The majority of candidates will be members of political parties. Before an election, these parties publish what's known as a manifesto, outlining what they hope to do if they get in power. These are published in the weeks leading up to the election and can be found on the party's websites and shared on social media. You might also get an idea on how different parties and candidates feel about different issues on TV debates and political party broadcasts. Is voting simple? Yes. You can register online and it only takes 5 minutes. Once you're registered, you'll receive information through the post before election day about where your polling station is in your area, and you'll have between 7 AM and 10 PM on election day to cast your vote. You don't need to bring anything with you, just yourself. There are 2 other ways of voting which may suit some of you better. First, you can apply to send your vote in by post. Second, if you can't vote in person, you can ask someone to vote on your behalf. So what are you waiting for?